Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to approve shift change request here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, as you can see here at the top right, we have the notification section. Just click on it and you'll have the request right here. You can just easily click on one notification, and then once done, just click on the check mark right here to approve it. Okay. Another option is by going home. Right here under overview, you have the approval section. Right here, you can just go to select or hover over the request and just click on approve. Another option is by going to attendance. Okay. When you are currently under my data, just go to the team tab like so and click on shift change request and just click on the request itself. And here you have the approve button as well. Or at the top, you have the approve button. Just click on it, click on approve. And once done, it now says approved. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.